What's going on YouTube? Moderate Mods, and we are back. And today I'm going to be showing off you guys how to install and the functionality of these dual function LED warning light strips. So these are going to be safety strips. They do still look pretty sweet. I really think they look cool, and it's going to be even more of a special treat because today I'm going to be doing it on the Civic. So I'm going to be doing this mod on my wife's Honda Civic, and this is a 2016 Honda Civic. Very easy to do, guys, and I'll explain why I'm doing it on the Civic and not the 200 this time. Okay, guys, so I picked these up from CarXK, and great website. Check them out, and also check out the link below. You will be able to get these. I'll have a link dropped to these, and browse through their website, guys. And if you find anything you like, please don't forget to add the Moderate Mods discount code. The discount code will be down below so you can see what it looks like and how exactly to type it in and get yourself 10% off. But diving in, this is the packaging you're going to get. Comes with the strips, 2 strips, pretty long, and with the backing on the back. And I think these things are going to look great, honestly. I really, really do. I'm super excited. And it comes with a very detailed instruction here and lets you know exactly how to wire it up. So like I said earlier, this is what the functionality of these things are. It's great for larger cities, anything involving, parallel parking or street parking. You want to make sure, you got visibility. They're great for nighttime. They're going to pop like crazy. And they even give you a great light down at the bottom, which is just so cool. It's just a dual functionality LED strip. And they're real, they're tiny, so they won't poke out much. And they look like high quality LEDs in there as well. So I think the durability on these are going to be great too. So let's dive right in on the installation portion of this. Hey guys, so coming over to the instructions, the reason I'm doing this on the Civic today is because of the accessibility of the door switch. So on the Chrysler 200s, the second gens, they have integrated door switches. So that means that they're built in to the latching part of the door, which is just kind of crappy on Chrysler's part because the accessibility is ridiculously hard to get to, and quite frankly, not even worth it at that point. Because I tried to attempt it, all the door panels removing. It got to the part where I was getting to the window, and I was like, you know what, this is ridiculous. So I'm over here on the Honda today because it's going to flow exactly with this product. Great. So here on the instructions that come with the product, you can see there's 2 A and B ways to wire these things up. A is going to be wiring up if you have a light down built into your door. So this is great, guys, because they really take you step by step. If you're watching this video for the instruction purposes, I'm only giving you pretty much a picture video view of it, but this is a great description on how to do it. So we're going to be going with B today. We're going to be finding the door light switch, taking the wiring to it, and putting it all in, wiring it to the front of the door, and fitting it up nicely. So I'll show you guys how to do it. You're going to use the lights that you got, and you're going to need some speaker wire or extra wire to do this job. Very cheap. Pick it up from Walmart or anything for some extra speaker wire. But let's dive right in. Let me show you where to find your door light switch and what the next steps are. So guys, major shout out to Honda. Here you go. This is the door switch. Like I said, you're going to look around your door jamb and you're going to just see literally a door switch. When the door closes, it pushes this in, which turns the lights off and begins to dim them down. And then when you let go of the button, it tells the car the door is open. So very simple. And all you're going to need to do for this step is to unscrew this bolt, and that'll get you access to the wires behind it. So let's go ahead and unscrew it. It's a Phillips bolt. Okay, guys. So once you get the bolt unscrewed, Honda did it to where the one wire running through is your positive, and then it has like an integrated ground, which is the backing and the screw going into the frame right there. So pretty simple. You're just going to take a flathead screwdriver, pop out your pin here, and then just pop off your panel there because you're going to need to run your wires anyways. And just pry this panel and it'll pop off too, and that'll expose all that there. And then you can just pull it out to where it's accessible from here and begin wiring. All right, guys, so there you see now, I have this wire spliced in. So go ahead and reconnect it. This wire here is going to be, connecting to the black cable on your lights. So just don't forget that. This is going to be the door switch panel wire, you know, letting it know to activate on. And then the red wire will be connecting to a positive power source inside your door panel once we go and pop that thing off. All right, so once you got that wire connected, you're going to need to access your door panel. So here on the Civic, we're going to just pop up this piece right here with a pry tool, and that'll expose a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screw. We're going to unscrew that screw, and then this whole door panel will just pop right off. Piece popped off, and there's the screw. Okay, so now that you're all connected, I just connected up my wire real quick so I could test and find the power supply wire. And on the Civic here, the power supply wire is this white or beige, whatever color you want to call it, wire. And just to show you what will happen, there you go. Push the door switch button, off, doors closed, door open, door closed, door open. So now you know where you're going, guys. Make your connection, splice in, and now it's pretty much time to just run your wires. Okay, guys, so now that you got it all hooked up and you got all your wires spliced in and tucked up, I left a lot of excess, so when I put my door panel on, I won't have to worry about anything like that. Just go ahead and test your button. Doing its job. So there you go, guys. Next step is you just tape this thing up. So I'm going to go ahead and ride along the inside right here, getting past that, making sure that the red is going to end right at the halfway and all the white is going to be down at the bottom. So I'll go from there and I'll be right back to you guys. Got it on, guys. Let's see. There it is. I think it's working pretty great. It looks good. It's not getting hit by anything. It contours great. Look at that. Curve down. I'm loving it, guys. And honestly, the floor lighting is pretty awesome. It's pretty great, especially for her because she never had anything before. And I'm actually surprised on how bright it really is. So let's go ahead and put the door panel back on. All right, guys. So door panel's all put back together. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what it looks like. There it is. It's extremely bright, guys. Great ground effect lighting. This is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. This is a pretty neat design by people somewhere in the world. It's looking great. It's, you know, lighting up great. It's sticking great. It's contouring great. It's not getting crunched by anything. So all out great design. Let's go ahead and get some night shots. But before we do the night shots, guys, repeat that process for the other side and you will be A1. You guys got it going. So not that bad, guys. It's not your typical positive and ground setup. It's a dual positive setup because it needs an on and off switch with it. But super easy still, guys. Let's go ahead, check out some night shots. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. Difficulty level, I would say out of 5 would probably be a 3, just because you're doing some splicing and running wires. But 3 to 2, it's not too bad, guys. Absolute results will show up. It's a definite changer, an immediate noticer. Nobody can not notice that on your car. If you're anything like me in your area, you're probably not going to have a lot of people riding those on their cars. So I think my lady's going to be a little bit popping when she goes out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope this was a good look at these new safety strips that have been coming out. And I hope this one explained well enough on how to hook these up, on where to wire to. And again, guys, if you have any questions, you already know what to do on this channel. Just please comment below. Hit me up on IG. I'll be more than willing to help you guys. This is, again, a universal mod. It doesn't matter what type of car. As long as your car has a door switch that's easy to access or a door light, you're good to go. Now, I probably could have done this on my car. It would have been a little bit more challenging just because I would have had to make my own ways of making this work. That's why I decided not to do it on the 200, just because I felt it wouldn't have given the true use of the car or of the lights, in a sense. I would have had to make my own setup. So again, you could do that if you do like these lights, because this video is just to show you the functionality of these lights and how to install them. So you can do your own thing and make these things work any way you want. But again, just remember, guys, they're for safety as well. And they're going to be great for those big city people out there that, have a lot of people going by and, just they're cool. So all in all, pretty sweet product. Definitely recommend. Don't forget, click the link below, down in the description. Check them out yourself. Throw in the Modern Mods discount code and get yourself 10% off. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And until the next one, peace.